Hi YouTube, this is going to be the review on Rock and Roll Big Bird, okay? B, on Tesco batteries, really fast. Really fast. 3, 2, 1.
Rock and roll! I love music, don't you? Oh, yeah. Whoa, that was so much fun!
I hope you enjoyed this video, but if you not heard him sing, this is
Rock and roll!
a song.
I love music, don't you? Oh, yeah. Whoa, that was so much fun!
This is him wiggling his booty. Really wiggling his booty.
Rock and roll!
It's fresh batteries, Rock and Roll Big Bird. Fresh batteries. And guys, don't trust
Don't you?
ML Videos one, okay? Because it's lower pitch.
Yeah. Whoa, that was so much
I did say
fun!
pitch. And guess what? It sings really fast, okay? 3, 2, 1. Play the song 3 times.
Rock and roll!
No.
Rock and roll!
Rock.
I love music, don't you?
Tycho. No, this is Fisher Price. This is Tycho.
Oh, yeah.
No, this is Fisher
That was
Price.
so much fun! Rock and roll!
Running batteries. It's really running fast. Do you know what? These are fresh batteries and look, and it's slightly lower by two lower batteries. Guess what?
Oh, yeah. Whoa, that was so much fun!
Vintage brush toy. Really soft. And if you find one on eBay for a cheap price, please ask the seller so they can make a video on how it works, because none of you are knowing to get ones that's not as fast as mine.
Rock and roll!
After this song, I'm going to say ta-ta and fun up, okay? Find the video and subscribe and comment. If there's any bad comments, I'll delete them. Do you understand me? I ain't a thing.
Whoa, that was so
Like
much
father,
fun!
like son, idiots.